So after you find the company, all you have to do is just find the company, type it in www. What's up guys, what is going on? Thanks for joining me back here again. Today we are going to be talking about how you can make money with Google Maps in 2020. Okay, so if you guys are new to this channel, thank you for joining me. Please subscribe and like this video so I can continue to put out more content and more information on this channel here. So if you guys are new, I do talk about affiliate marketing, also other ways to make money online, passive income, online businesses, and so forth. So I do talk about affiliate marketing because that's what I do and that's what I teach, but also I like to also put out different ways on how to make money online, just different content so people could see that there's actually more than one way to skin a cat. So, and today we are going to be talking about Google and how to make money online. So, but if for whatever reason you guys don't like the way how to make money with Google from this video that I'm going to be showing you, if you guys stick to the end, I'm going to show you how I make money as an affiliate online and also how you can actually start up, learn, and so forth. Okay, so let's go ahead and just jump into it here. So I'm actually at my my home screen here on YouTube, and I like to use Google Chrome. So let's go into Google Chrome, okay? And what you're going to be doing and what we're going to be searching is going to be service-based businesses in an area, okay? So service-based businesses pretty much means businesses that are around a specific area. For example, since I'm from El Paso, Texas, that's what I'm going to be searching at. And these are going to be businesses that are like, for example, roofing, plumbing, chiropractors, carpenters, electricians, you know, around that area. So we're going to be looking for those different types of companies. Okay, we're going to be seeing and searching to see if these companies have been claimed on Google, because if they have not, that's where we can come in and help them, charge them for a fee, and make money online. Okay, now recently Google has actually put out, I'm going to be looking up roofing here, and you kind of see that I've been looking that up before. And like I said, I am from El Paso, Texas. Let me move this over here, and that's pretty much the city that I'm going to be searching for. Okay, now Google has put out a memo or a statement saying that if a company hasn't been claimed recently, that they are starting to remove these companies from the Google search, and of course that's going to hurt these companies that are trying to rank up, that are trying to be seen by different customers and get verified and all that stuff, right? So what we want to do is help them out by checking to see if they've been claimed. If they haven't, that's where we come in. We could help them and keep them here on the map. Okay. Now, if you guys haven't used Google or if you guys are new to it, I'm just kind of gonna run down different sections on how it works. So up here with these three boxes, this section is actually called the Google guarantee, meaning Google has guaranteed these searches up here. Okay, the majority of the time they don't really come up, but you can kind of see that they did come up on our search here. Okay, this is actually optional sometimes. It doesn't really come up a lot of times, but you kind of see that it did come up on our side. Now, if you come down, this is going to be the ad section. You can kind of see people put their ads, pay for ads so they can be seen on Google. And you can kind of see here's an ad. So that's another section. This box right here is what we call the Google Pack. Okay, so this is by Google, and they actually put out 3 or 4 different results. Okay, so you have your actual map here of El Paso. You kind of see of El Paso, and then you have 3 searches for us. And the bottom here is where the actual Google SEO starts, where people begin to use the SEO and start trying to rank to become obviously the number 1, number 2, so people could kind of see them and get more views from them. So that's pretty much how Google, like in different sections, how it works. Okay, we're not going to pay attention to the Google guarantee. We're not going to do anything on the ads or the SEO. We're going to be looking at this box, the Google Pack. Okay, now here in this Google Pack, like I said earlier, we are going to be looking for different companies that have not been claimed on Google. Okay, so you pretty much kind of go through them and you kind of see if they've been claimed. Okay, so you see here, and this is actually the main key that shows you that they haven't been claimed, right? Own this business. Okay, so own this business. Okay, cool. So you click on that and you kind of see that this company right here, this listing has already been claimed. Okay, so this one has been claimed. Let's go on to another one here. So pretty much, I'm just going to fast forward. I'm going to look for some companies. That way I don't waste your time, and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so I was looking through here and I found one. So you have Longhorn Roofing and Remodeling, okay? Still here in El Paso, Texas. So what you're looking for is own this business. You click on here, and of course, like you saw before, you see it that it has been claimed, it will tell you that it has been claimed. But if it hasn't, this is what's going to pop up. Manage this business to reply to reviews, update info, and more. So that was one thing that I did not say. If you are not claimed, you're not actually able to reply to the reviews that are posted on your little section here of your company. So once you get review, you can change your information. You can reply to customers, give them more info or whatever. So, and once you find one here, what you do is you go and you contact the company. Okay, so let's say for example Longhorn Roofing, you're going to go ahead and contact them, and you're pretty much going to either go in call them on the phone or go to their website. So you obviously see that they don't have a website either, and that's also going to work to our advantage, and I'll talk to you guys right now in a bit. So they do have a phone number. You're going to call them up, and you're going to pretty much speak to the manager or to the owner and just tell them what's going on. So, hey, you know what? I was looking on Google. I was looking on your section, and I noticed that you are not claimed in the Google business here. And recently, Google has taken a note saying that if you're not claimed, that they will start removing your company off Google search. Okay, which is obviously going to harm your customers, harm the sales and everything. But not to worry. I could actually help you out with that, right? So in pretty much you just talk to him for a small fee. You could actually go and claim that actual company and get them up to speed, okay? So once he agrees to do that, now remember, you're not going to do any of that until he agrees. Now, once you do that, it's a simple process. You're going to pretty much go to Manage Now here, fill in the information. They're going to send a letter in the mail to this company, and it's going to be a PIN. Okay, once he gets that PIN, he's going to read that to you. You type it in here just to make sure that it is claimed and verified, and he'll be claimed. Simple as that. Now, as far as charging him, you can charge him pretty much whatever you want, right? $100, $200, $50, or even free if you wanted to, okay? But typically for a job like this, it's about $100, right? It's give or take about $100 will be good, okay? And after that, that's pretty much one-time thing and you're done, right? You could actually just close this case or close this one and be done with it, or you could actually continue to provide service for him, right? So what you want to do is get your foot in the door, and then after that, after he trusts you and everything, you can continue to provide service for him. So like we were saying here at a website, you notice that he doesn't have a website, okay? You could also charge him to build him a website because nowadays pretty much every company needs to have a website in order for them to be successful and to continue on with their business, right? So you could go ahead and offer them other services. For example, like, hey, I want to build a website for you, right? You can charge them a little bit more of pretty much whatever you want, right? $500, $600, $700, $800, depending on what he wants on his website, the designs, logos, and so forth, right? Now, let's say that you're not tech savvy, you don't know how to build a website, you don't have time for that. That's not a problem either. What you're going to do is you're going to go into Fiverr, and I've talked about Fiverr, and this is pretty much where you actually provide your services to other people. So right now, you're going to need somebody to build you a website. So what you're going to do is type in WordPress website. It's already here. And kind of scroll here, and you can kind of see that they could charge you as little as $30. It goes up to $50, $150, $550, you know, so depending on what the customer wants. So you're going to be communicating back and forth as far as if he wants a customer page, privacy page, contact page, or whatever, home page. If it's a catalog page or whatever, you're going to kind of communicate with him, and you're going to put it on here, right? And after you actually design it, so for example, if you go, and of course do your research, right? Which ones are doable? If you can charge one for $50 and you charge them $500, you make a $450 profit, right? That's for you to keep. Now, and then you'll have a website. So you've actually helped out this company by claiming him on Google, giving him a website. So that ultimately means that he's going to be getting more sales, more customers, right? More business in general, okay? But on top of that, you don't even have to stop there. You can actually continue to provide him services, okay? Now, let's say that you have been Google certified, Facebook ads certified. As far as if you take the course and you're certified, you could actually run ads for him as well, right? To bring in even more customers, okay? Now, I did make a video on this. If you want to check out another video, I'll go ahead and post it, post a card up here on the top so you guys could check it out as far as what you got to do and stuff like that. But that's also another thing you can do to provide service and for you to make money online. So if you kind of see, by helping somebody and giving them value, it actually opens up another door and another door and another door. So from that, you just literally charge them just to claim his business. And then you could actually add a website. And then you could actually start running ads for him so people on the internet could kind of see his business, right? So that you could kind of see that doing this a couple companies, you know, every day, you could actually start your own business just by making money online by using Google Maps here, okay? Now, if for whatever reason you don't like this actual method, or you don't like using Google or anything, if you wanted to see how I make money online, you could actually click on my first link here down in the description, where you can actually make a full-time job and you can kind of see how I make money online as an affiliate, okay? You're going to go and go in there, and it's going to explain to you exactly what it is, how it is, what to do, and it actually kind of sets you up for success, okay? So if you guys have any questions, please write them down here in the comments. Like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to this channel so that way I can put out more information and provide more value on here so you guys could get more ideas, more ways to make money online. The biggest thing for me is I am an affiliate, but I also like to provide different options for people, right? I don't want them to just say that you have to become an affiliate because I do. You have to do it this way because I do. No, there's more ways to skin a cat. There's so many ways to make money online, and that's what I like to do. I like to provide and kind of have you make the option or the choice on what you want to do if you want to do it, right? So, like I said, thanks again. If you have any questions or if something was kind of confusing, please write them down in the description here in the comments, and I'll get back to you guys. If you guys want to learn how I make money online, like I said, it's going to be the first link down here in the description. And yeah, so until then, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one.